welcome back to me. Today I'll be showing you on how to use basic features in Google Docs. At the end of this video, you will be able to name your document, set up page, adjust fonts and size, line spacing, justify alignment, add title and heading, header and footer, page numbering, insert horizontal line, and last but not least, table of contents. As you open your Google Docs, click on the blank docs to begin. Then, you can simply type anything or copy any articles you want. For example, this is an article that I took from the internet. First thing first, let's name this document. For instance, I will name this one as Google Docs Tutorial by Shafika. Here, you can simply name your document related to the content you are doing. Next, I will show you how to adjust your page setup. First step, go to File. Then, select Page Setup. Here, you can see the paper size and margins of this document. Let's change it to A4 size and let the margins be 1 inch for each of them. Now, let's move on to fonts and size. To adjust the fonts, you can simply select all the content of your document by clicking Ctrl and A letter on your keyboard at the same time. Then, click here and choose any fonts you want. For example, Times New Roman. Next, to adjust the size, just click here to either increase or decrease the size of the font. Next, I will show you how to adjust the line spacing between the lines of your article. Let's pick, for example, 1.5 to make it look neat. Besides, you can also adjust the alignment of your paragraphs. So, just click here, the one next to the line spacing. It's up to you what kind of position you want. And we're done for this. Let's continue this tutorial by adding the title and headings for this article. First step, you need to identify the main title for the article. As for this article, the main title is The Trouble with Fries. Then, I will change this normal text to title and adjust the font and size. Meanwhile, for the author of this article, I will keep it as a normal text. Next, since the article is quite long, so it is better for us to add some headings related to certain paragraphs in the content to make it more easier for the readers. For example, I would like to name these first few paragraphs as History of Fast Food. Not to forget, change the normal text to heading. Also, you can adjust the font and size for your heading as well. For this paragraph, it looks like it is kind of related to revolution, so I will name it as Fast Food Revolution. Meanwhile, for these last few paragraphs, I will make the heading as Fast Food Tragedy. To move the heading to the next page, you can simply click Ctrl and Enter at the same time. Last but not least, the last paragraph will surely be the conclusion for this whole article. Then, just repeat the first step where you need to adjust the fonts and size for the headings. In addition, it will be much more easier for you to search up on specific headings if you show the document outline like mine. So, to enable the document outline, simply go to View and make sure you already select Show Document Outline. Now, I will guide you how to add the header and footer for this document. First, click Insert, then select Header and Footer. Now, let's begin with the header. Here, for example, you can put your name and student number as the header. For your information, this header will appear on every page of your document. However, you are able to hide it from your first page by clicking Different First Page. Same goes to the footer, click Insert and select Page Number and choose any position that you want. Moreover, you can also separate your article content with the title by adding a horizontal line. First, go to Insert, then select Horizontal Line. And there you go. Furthermore, Google Docs has a feature where it helps us to correct our grammar and spelling mistakes. Thus, our assignment or article will be much better. Last but not least, I will show you how to insert a table of contents in this document. First, click on the page where you want to put the table. Then, go to Insert and choose the table of contents, which is situated at the bottom. And we're completely done. Now, we can see that our document looks way better than the original one. Why do we actually need to learn basic skills in Google Docs? This is because you can surely do your work in a more efficient way. With that being said, thank you.